Welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're gonna shower together. Not! We're gonna fix this shelf right here. This marble shelf, I think this is the second or third time it's been repaired. It's been repaired with like adhesive tile caulk. We're gonna use this Instant Install 29 again. This shelf has fallen off, I think, twice. This will be the third time we're repairing this. It didn't fall yet, but it's loose. So we're gonna get it off of here. So now this Instant Install 29, we're not gonna scrape we're gonna get rid of the loose debris that is on this shelf. And we're gonna get rid of the loose debris that's on the wall. But this seam right here is porous, and the ends of this are porous, and you need the porous connection for this Instant Install 29 to work. So I'm gonna clean these with alcohol, mix that install up, and we're gonna put it back together. I've knocked all the loose debris off just with my fingers. I haven't scraped or nothing. I've cleaned it with isopropyl alcohol, taped it off so if anything oozes or drips, it'll come off easily. We'll mix up that install, put it on that shelf, and stick it in the hole. We've got 2 equal blobs, and we're just gonna mix this until it's thoroughly mixed. We're gonna apply it to that shelf, and we're gonna stick it in that hole. I'm probably gonna hold it for 10 minutes or 15, only because I don't want it sagging, and I wanna make sure it stays in place. It's all mixed. I got a good, nice bead all the way around. We're gonna put this sucker back on. Like I said, this cures in 15 minutes, 30 minutes rock hard. So I'm gonna hold it probably for 10 minutes just to make sure it doesn't move once I get it in there. Make sure that shelf goes in the right way too. And that baby's right back in the same spot that I pulled it out. That's why you don't want to shave everything off it. It needs something to grab back onto. This only adheres to the porous material. So anything that's going to ooze out and get on the regular marble that's got a nice slick surface, it'll scrape right off. I'm going to hold this. You don't have to watch it. Once you mix that, it gels up 10 to 15 minutes. In 30 minutes, you can handle the part. It's fully cured in 1 hour. I'm tired. I pushed my body weight against this for 30 minutes till the 30-minute handle time was complete. I'll let this go another 30. We'll come back, peel off the excess because it comes right off. Whatever isn't porous, it peels right off. And we'll put a nice bead of caulk around this and make it look brand new. I wish I'd put a little bit more in there to get more squeeze out. All the excess Instant Install 29 has been removed. Cleaned it all off, taped it up real nice. We're gonna put a bead of caulk on this. The gap here is big because there's a lot of adhesive and other, I don't know, whatever they use to try to adhere the marble won't come off. I'm not gonna scrape it. I'm just gonna caulk back over it like it was before. There she is, all adhered, caulked. We gotta wait 24 hours for that caulk to dry. And then we'll put everything back on that shelf that belongs on that shelf and be ready for service. Repair number 2 was a naked girl in a wrap bronze statue. Her marble base was broken right here. We used that Instant Install 29 to put this back together. It's been outside for 5 months after the repair, and it's still rock hard. Good stuff. The shelf is all repaired. All the beauty supplies are nicely placed back on the shelf. It is 100% back in service. It's ready for a lifetime of use. Well, cheers with an icy cold Kronenberg. Oh, it doesn't get any better than that. Stay clean. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend. Take care. See ya.